Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, your OneDrive not syncing. If files aren't updating, uploads fail, or documents won't open, try this. First of all, restart the application. Just like this. Second one is the check permissions. Add some if it needed. The next one is the reinstall your application. Try to update it. And here you go. Next one is the check internet connection. As you can see, I have a good connection, 5G, and if previous options didn't help you, try to reboot your phone. And I hope it will solve your problem. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.